In the next 10 years, the battle between artificial intelligence and human intelligence won't just shape industries. It will redefine what it means to think, work, and create. AI is learning faster, processing more, and outperforming humans in tasks once thought uniquely ours. But can it truly match human intuition, emotion, and adaptability? As machines grow smarter and more capable, the question isn't just who wins. It's what happens when intelligence itself evolves beyond biology. Let's dive into the future of this epic showdown. Today we will talk about AI versus human intelligence. Who wins in the next decade? So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. The intelligence race begins. Artificial intelligence, AI, has entered a new phase of rapid evolution, challenging the very core of human cognitive supremacy. From outperforming humans in board games to composing music and diagnosing diseases, AI systems are advancing at breakneck speed. While human intelligence evolved over millennia, AI is improving exponentially through machine learning, data processing, and neural networks. The next decade will define how this relationship plays out, whether AI becomes a tool that enhances human potential or a rival that competes with us intellectually. The question isn't just about speed or memory. It's about reasoning, creativity, emotion, and adaptability. Human intelligence is biologically grounded, shaped by emotion, culture, and context. AI, on the other hand, is a synthetic abstraction designed to solve problems efficiently. But what happens when the abstract becomes more effective than the biological? The coming years could witness a reshaping of every field where intelligence, natural or artificial, plays a role. 2. Processing power versus cognitive depth. AI systems already surpass humans in processing speed, pattern recognition, and multitasking. Algorithms like GPT-4 and successors can digest and analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, a feat no human brain could match. However, human intelligence has depth, an ability to reason abstractly, question assumptions, and think contextually. The brain operates not just with logic, but also with emotion, intuition, and moral judgment. AI lacks this nuance, often relying on correlation over causation. Moreover, while AI can learn through data, it doesn't understand in the conscious sense. Human cognition is slow, but it's flexible and rich in experience. As AI models become more complex, especially with the emergence of generalist AI and multimodal systems, they're beginning to close this gap. Yet, without consciousness or subjective experience, they remain fundamentally different. The battle ahead isn't just about speed. It's about the quality and meaning of thought, and who, or what, can will it better. 3. Creativity. Human spark or machine precision. Creativity has long been the hallmark of human intelligence. Whether it's painting, composing music, or inventing new technologies, humans are driven by curiosity, emotion, and existential inquiry. AI, however, is entering creative domains with surprising proficiency. It can generate art, write novels, compose symphonies, and even co-design scientific research. But is this true creativity or just sophisticated mimicry? AI lacks intentionality. It doesn't want to create. It's prompted to do so. Still, AI-generated content is increasingly indistinguishable from human-made work, and sometimes even surpasses it in complexity or novelty. Human creativity often stems from struggle, inspiration, or subconscious association, qualities AI doesn't possess. Yet, when human and machine collaborate, the result can be more powerful than either alone. In the next decade, we may see a hybrid form of creativity emerge, where AI becomes both a muse and a tool, pushing the boundaries of what's creatively possible and redefining the nature of authorship itself. 4. Emotion, empathy, and ethical judgment. One of the key distinctions between AI and human intelligence is emotional depth and moral reasoning. Humans can empathize, grieve, love, and morally reflect. These capacities inform our decisions, especially in ambiguous or ethical dilemmas. AI, on the other hand, operates on logic, pattern recognition, and optimization. It cannot feel pain or joy, and it lacks a conscience. This makes AI efficient, but potentially dangerous in morally sensitive situations like warfare, healthcare, or justice. Even with emotion detection algorithms and sentiment analysis, AI doesn't truly understand emotion. It only simulates responses based on data. As AI is deployed in social and psychological settings, from therapist to customer service, its inability to feel may become a limiting factor. Over the next decade, Human intelligence will remain crucial in areas that require emotional wisdom, ethical clarity, and compassion. While AI might guide decisions, humans will still be needed to ensure those decisions are ethically sound and emotionally grounded. 5. Learning. Adaptive biology versus data-driven machines. Human learning is a lifelong adaptive process shaped by environment, experience, and neuroplasticity. It involves trial, error, reflection, and personal growth. AI, in contrast, learns from vast datasets in structured environments using mathematical models. This gives AI an edge in scaling knowledge rapidly, and AI can learn from billions of documents in hours. However, it struggles with transfer learning across unrelated domains or learning from sparse data. Humans are more intuitive learners, capable of drawing insights from metaphor, analogy, and social cues. Moreover, our learning is inherently value-driven. We pursue knowledge for curiosity, survival, or meaning. AI learns only what it is programmed or trained to learn. Yet with developments like reinforcement learning and few-shot learning, AI is starting to bridge this gap. The decade ahead will determine if AI can evolve into something more fluid and autonomous in its learning. Still, human intelligence will likely retain an edge in learning that requires context, culture, or emotion. 6. Workforce and economic impact. AI's rapid advancement is reshaping labor markets worldwide. Repetitive, rules-based jobs, from manufacturing to data entry, are increasingly automated. Even creative and knowledge-based roles, like journalism, design, and programming, are being transformed. Human intelligence, traditionally essential in these fields, is now sharing space with machines that can outperform humans in efficiency and consistency. This raises questions about employment, education, and the nature of work. Will AI create more jobs than it displaces, or will it exacerbate inequality and displacement? The next decade will likely see a rise in hybrid professions, where humans use AI tools to enhance productivity. Workers who adapt by developing critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and AI fluency will thrive. Those who don't may struggle. 7. General intelligence, the Holy Grail. The development of artificial general intelligence, AGI. Machines that can perform any intellectual task a human can, is the ultimate milestone. While current AI is narrow and task-specific, AGI would require machines to possess reasoning, memory, self-awareness, and adaptive learning. Experts are divided on when, or if, AGI will be achieved. Optimists suggest we could see AGI emerge within the next decade, while skeptics argue it's still decades away, if not unreachable. If achieved, AGI could rapidly accelerate scientific discovery, education, governance, and beyond. But it could also challenge the very definition of humanity. Who wins in such a world? If AGI becomes more capable than any human, we may shift from competition to coexistence, or confrontation. Human intelligence may no longer be dominant, but that doesn't mean it becomes irrelevant. In fact, our ability to guide, govern, and ethically shape AGI could become the most important test of intelligence humanity has ever faced. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe. AI is no longer the future, it's the present. From boosting productivity to creating content in seconds, AI tools are transforming how we work, learn, and live. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, content creator, or just curious, the right AI tools can save you hours and supercharge your results. In this video, we'll dive into the best AI tools you should be using right now, and trust me, you don't want to miss these game changers. Today we will talk about best AI tools you should be using right now. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. AI Writing Assistance. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the writing process through advanced tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, WriteSonic, and Copy. These AI tools help users generate long-form content, headlines, product descriptions, ad copy, and even books with minimal effort. Jasper and Copy. AI are known for marketing-oriented content, while ChatGPT excels in conversational and research-backed writing. Tools like Grammarly and ProWritingIt also integrate AI for grammar and tone improvements. These platforms reduce hours of work into minutes by analyzing context, intent, and natural language patterns. Writers, marketers, and students benefit immensely from these tools, enabling better focus on creativity and structure while automating mundane corrections or idea generation. They'd also help non-native speakers create fluent, engaging content. Many of these tools offer SEO integrations and tone customization, making them suitable for web and business writing. With AI's rapid development, these assistants are becoming essential in journalism, content marketing, and academic work. 2. Image and design generators. AI has entered the creative arts with tools like Midjourney, DALL*E3, Canva AI, and Runway redefining graphic design and image creation. Platforms like Midjourney and DALL*E turn text prompts into stunning digital art, enabling non-artists to create logos, posters, game assets, or marketing visuals without design skills. Canva has integrated Magic Design and Magic Edit to let users transform ideas into polished content automatically. For professionals, Adobe Firefly offers AI-powered editing and painting and generative fill features. These tools reduce the need for stock photography and manual design by creating tailor-made visuals instantly. Some allow style cloning or face retouching with simple controls. Designers and marketers are saving both time and budget, while artists are exploring new visual frontiers. The fusion of AI and creativity is empowering more people to bring their imagination to life with little to no technical background. 3. Video and animation tools. AI is streamlining video creation with tools like Pictory, Wearable, Synthesia, and Lumen 5. Synthesia lets users generate human-like AI avatars that speak in multiple languages, ideal for training videos, marketing, or courses. Pictory turns long blog posts into short, engaging videos with text overlays and stock footage. Runway enables powerful video editing features, like background removal, text-to-video generation, and green screen effects, without traditional editing skills. Lumen 5 automates turning articles or scripts into engaging videos using drag-and-drop AI. These tools eliminate the steep learning curve of traditional editing suites like Adobe Premiere Pro. Content creators, educators, and marketers can now produce professional quality video content at scale, saving time and costs. With rising demand for video content on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, these AI tools offer an incredible edge to stay competitive. 4. Productivity and automation. AI isn't just for creativity. It's changing the way we work through productivity tools like Notion AI, Zapier AI, Otter AI, and Sanebox. Notion AI enhances project management with AI writing, summarizing meeting notes, and organizing tasks. Zapier AI now uses generative AI to create complex workflows by understanding your plain English goals, automating everything from lead management to Slack messages. Otter AI transcribes and summarizes meetings in real time, perfect for remote workers and journalists. Sanebox uses AI to filter emails, categorize them, and highlight important ones, clearing inbox clutter. Other tools like AI can schedule meetings via email without manual coordination. By automating routine tasks, AI helps professionals reclaim hours of lost productivity every week. Teams can focus on decision-making and creative work while AI handles the busy work. 5. Coding and development aids. For software developers, AI tools like GitHub Copilot, Codium, Replit Ghostwriter, and Tabnine are accelerating code creation and bug fixing. GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI Codex, acts like an autocomplete on steroids, offering entire function suggestions, documenting code, and reducing repetitive tasks. Tabnine learns from your coding habits and team conventions, making it a powerful pair programmer. Codium and Ghostwriter offer code suggestions, refactoring, and even debugging in various languages. These tools are especially helpful in learning new programming languages, writing unit tests, or speeding up boilerplate code creation. AI-driven coding reduces error rates and accelerates shipping timelines, making dev teams far more efficient. Junior developers get guided support, while seniors can focus on architecture and optimization. 6. AI for research and learning. AI tools like Perplexity AI, ChatGPT, Consensus, and Cite AI are transforming how we research, learn, and make decisions. Perplexity acts as an AI-powered search engine that provides citations and deep explanations, ideal for quick fact-finding or academic use. Consensus searches scientific literature and answers user queries based on actual peer-reviewed studies. Cite AI allows citation analysis, showing whether an article has been supported or contradicted in subsequent research. ChatGPT excels in tutoring and concept explanation across math, coding, history, and more. Other platforms like Elicit use AI to assist with literature review by extracting data from academic papers. These tools save hours for researchers, students, and professionals. Instead of digging through dozens of sources, users get distilled high-quality insights instantly. This democratizes learning and brings scientific-grade data into daily decision-making. 7. Customer service and chatbots. Businesses are turning to AI tools like Intercom Fin, Tidio AI, Drift, and Ada to revolutionize customer support. These platforms use advanced NLP, natural language processing, to provide real-time, context-aware responses to customer queries. Intercom Fin, powered by GPT-4, can handle complex customer support scenarios and escalate only when needed. Tidio AI lets small businesses add intelligent bots to websites, improving customer experience without hiring large teams. Drift specializes in conversational marketing, turning chat into sales pipelines with personalized AI-driven responses. Ada automates up to 80% of support inquiries and integrates smoothly with CRM systems. These bots learn from each conversation, becoming smarter over time. Ada not only reduces wait times and ticket backlogs, but also provides 24/7 service at a fraction of the cost. 8. Personal AI companions. AI has reached the personal assistant level with tools like Replica, Pi, Inflection AI, Agent AI, and Claude AI. Replica serves as an emotionally intelligent chatbot that adapts to your personality, offering conversation, journaling, and mood support. Pi, from Inflection AI, is an empathetic, thoughtful AI designed for reflective conversation, ideal for users seeking companionship or guidance. Claude AI offers a calm, context-sensitive conversational experience, great for writing support or reflective dialogue. Hagen is popular for creating AI-generated avatars that can represent users in videos, useful for influencers and educators. These companions provide emotional support, time management help, brainstorming assistance, and mindfulness exercises. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe. Imagine downloading a full HD movie in seconds, controlling your home appliances with zero delay, or even experiencing remote surgeries powered by real-time precision. All thanks to 5G and the upcoming 6G revolution. These technologies are not just about faster internet. They're set to transform how we work, travel, communicate, and even think. From self-driving cars to smart cities and immersive virtual experiences, 5G is just the beginning, and 6G will take it even further. Your future is about to get faster, smarter, and more connected than ever before. Today we will talk about how 5G and 6G will change your life faster than you think. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Evolution of wireless connectivity. The shift from 4G to 5G, and soon to 6G, is more than a speed upgrade. It's a leap in how we experience technology. 5G, with its blazing fast speeds, up to 100x faster than 4G, and ultra-low latency, has already begun transforming industries like healthcare, transportation, and manufacturing. But 6G, expected around 2030, promises data rates up to 1,000 GeBs, sub-millisecond latency, and AI-native networks. This next-gen tech will enable real-time holograms, fully immersive virtual environments, and intelligent communication between devices without human intervention. These networks will integrate space, air, ground, sea systems, covering everything from satellites to underwater sensors. As connectivity becomes more seamless, we'll enter an era where buffering and lag become outdated concepts. This foundational change is not just about convenience. It enables future innovations across sectors, from smart agriculture to autonomous vehicles, paving the way for a more connected, efficient, and intelligent society at unprecedented speed and scale. 2. Smart cities will become smarter. 5G and 6G are crucial to realizing the full potential of smart cities. These advanced networks will power millions of sensors embedded across urban environments, collecting data on everything from traffic flow and pollution levels to waste management and public safety. Real-time data processing with near-zero latency will allow cities to respond instantly to emerging issues. Rerouting traffic after accidents, adjusting lighting for pedestrian density, or detecting crime patterns before they escalate. 6th, you will even enable communication between drones, autonomous public transport, and infrastructure, helping cities become self-optimizing. Smart grids powered by these networks can reduce energy waste and distribute electricity dynamically based on usage patterns. Public services will become predictive rather than reactive. Citizens will benefit from cleaner air, safer streets, and more efficient public resources. These networks will essentially act as a city's central nervous system, bringing every part of urban life into tighter coordination and creating truly responsive living environments. 3. Healthcare without boundaries. In healthcare, 5G is already making remote surgeries and telemedicine more reliable. But 6G will push the boundaries even further by enabling continuous, real-time monitoring of patients through wearable or even implantable devices. These devices will stream Ultra HD medical imaging, vital signs, and biometric data to cloud systems for instant AI analysis. Emergency response will be revolutionized as ambulances relay patient data to hospitals before arrival, allowing life-saving preparations in advance. Doctors across continents will collaborate using real-time augmented reality and digital twins of human organs for diagnostics. Robotic surgeries guided by AI and controlled remotely will become routine, reaching underserved or rural populations with top-tier care. Furthermore, 6G's use of terahertz waves could enable non-invasive scanning techniques, similar to portable MRI-level diagnostics. The seamless integration of smart sensors, AI, and ultra-fast networks will not only improve care, but also reduce costs and hospital overcrowding by enabling truly proactive health systems. 4. Redefining work and education. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated remote work and online learning, but 5G and 6G will redefine them. With high-speed, low-latency connections, employees will work in immersive 3D virtual offices, collaborate through holograms, and interact naturally using augmented reality, AR. Cloud computing will feel local due to network speed, making even complex design or engineering tasks seamless from anywhere. In education, 6G will support AI-driven personalized learning environments. Students could experience historical events through VR field trips or conduct virtual science labs in real time. Teachers will use emotion-sensing wearables to track engagement and adapt methods instantly. Physical classrooms will be optional as ultra-reliable virtual reality becomes the norm. Education will become borderless, inclusive, and fully adaptive to individual needs. This shift empowers a global workforce and learning community, closing the digital divide by offering access to world-class instruction and collaborative spaces irrespective of geography or economic background. 5. Hyper-connected transportation. Transportation will undergo a massive transformation as 5G and 6G enable fully autonomous cooperative systems. Self-driving vehicles will communicate not only with each other, but also with road infrastructure, pedestrians' devices, and smart traffic systems. These vehicles will anticipate hazards, reroute for efficiency, and make coordinated decisions in milliseconds, minimizing accidents and traffic congestion. 6G will enhance this by supporting precise geolocation, centimeter-level accuracy, essential for vehicle navigation in dense urban environments or complex road networks. Drone delivery will expand with real-time fleet coordination and obstacle avoidance. Air taxis and flying cars, once science fiction, will rely on 6G to safely operate in low-altitude airspace. Public transit will be fully optimized through predictive analytics, providing personalized, on-demand travel routes. Beyond convenience, this means cleaner cities, lower emissions, and enhanced mobility for all, including the elderly and disabled, by creating a smart, inclusive transport ecosystem that functions in real-time coordination. 6. Immersive entertainment everywhere. Entertainment will never be the same once 5G and especially 6G are fully deployed. With data speeds exceeding imagination, users will stream ultra-high-resolution 16K or even holographic content with zero buffering. Augmented and virtual reality will move from niche applications to mainstream platforms. Gamers will play in photorealistic metaverse environments where physical presence is indistinguishable from digital reality. Sports fans could watch matches live through player body cams or virtually sit in a stadium seat anywhere in the world. Concerts and festivals will be attended through AR headsets or holograms, eliminating physical limits on audience size. Content creators will distribute interactive films and games that respond to user choices in real time. Social media will evolve into fully 3D experiences, connecting friends via avatars in lifelike digital spaces. 7. Industry and automation revolution. The industrial sector is already being reshaped by 5G, and 6G will supercharge this shift. Smart factories will rely on ultra-reliable, low-latency networks to coordinate thousands of machines, robots, and sensors in real time. These environments will use AI-powered predictive maintenance to detect failures before they happen, saving millions. Logistics and supply chains will be mapped digitally and tracked with extreme precision, making delays and losses nearly obsolete. 6G's ability to integrate AI natively means that machines will learn and adapt faster, enabling true autonomous operations. Advanced robotics will handle delicate or complex assembly tasks with minimal human oversight. Agricultural systems will benefit too. Farmers using drone swarms, soil sensors, and AI to optimize planting, irrigation, and harvest timing. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe. Imagine controlling a computer with your thoughts, restoring mobility to the paralyzed, or enhancing memory like upgrading software. Elon Musk's Neuralink isn't just science fiction. It's a bold step toward merging the human brain with artificial intelligence. By implanting a brain-computer interface, Neuralink aims to revolutionize how we interact with technology, treat neurological disorders, and unlock mental capabilities we've only dreamed of. This innovation could redefine what it means to be human in the digital age. Today we will talk about how Elon Musk's Neuralink could redefine human potential. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. The vision behind Neuralink. Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk in 2016, is not just another tech startup. It's a bold attempt to merge the human brain with artificial intelligence. Musk envisions a future where humans can keep pace with AI advancements by directly integrating our brains with machines. This concept, known as a brain-computer interface (BCI), aims to improve brain function, treat neurological disorders, and eventually enable humans to communicate thoughts directly without speech or typing. Musk believes the future of humanity depends on symbiosis with AI to avoid becoming obsolete. Neuralink's small, implantable device, called the Link, will transmit data from the brain via electrodes. This vision could push humanity into a post-biological era where thoughts are streamed like data, potentially giving birth to enhanced cognition, memory upgrades, and real-time telepathic communication. While still in early trials, Neuralink's foundation rests on radical innovation and the goal to fundamentally change the way we think, feel, and interact with technology. 2. The science behind the implant. At the core of Neuralink's system is a tiny chip implanted into the skull, connected to the brain via ultra-thin threads, thinner than a human hair. These threads are designed to monitor the activity of individual neurons in real time and eventually stimulate them as needed. The chip records brain signals and translates them into digital data, which can then be interpreted by software. Unlike earlier brain-computer interfaces that involved large and cumbersome external machines, Neuralink aims for a fully wireless system that is safe, scalable, and upgradable. The threads avoid damaging blood vessels in the brain by using a specially designed robotic surgeon, offering higher precision than a human hand. This robotic installation method makes the process minimally invasive. The Link's battery is charged wirelessly and connects to external devices via Bluetooth. These technical breakthroughs are crucial for making BCIs practical and accessible beyond research labs and into therapeutic and everyday applications. 3. Medical breakthroughs and therapeutic potential. Neuralink's most immediate goal is to treat neurological and physical conditions that current medicine struggles with. Initial human trials approved in 2023 target individuals with paralysis, aiming to restore motor function by routing brain signals to external devices like a mouse, keyboard, or robotic limbs. In theory, someone with a spinal cord injury could control a smartphone or computer using only their thoughts. The device also holds promise for treating Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, and depression by regulating and enhancing brain activity in affected regions. By reading and stimulating specific neurons, Neuralink could eventually rewire brain circuits that have been damaged. It could even restore vision in blind individuals by mapping digital inputs directly into the visual cortex. These therapeutic applications can dramatically improve quality of life for millions and may become a routine treatment in neurological care, turning once irreversible conditions into manageable or even reversible ones. 4. brain enhancement, and superhuman abilities. Beyond therapy, Neuralink's long-term ambition is cognitive enhancement, improving memory, focus, learning speed, and problem-solving abilities in healthy individuals. Imagine instantly downloading a new language or accessing vast databases of knowledge with a thought. With such interfaces, humans could enter a new phase of evolution where brain power is not limited by biology. Elon Musk envisions this as digital superintelligence, where humans can merge with AI systems to gain a competitive edge and keep up with machine intelligence. This could also include mood regulation, creativity boosts, or even shared dreamscapes. Enhanced cognitive abilities could revolutionize education, workplace productivity, and even social interaction. However, this also raises ethical and societal questions. Will this divide society into enhanced versus non-enhanced? Could it lead to surveillance or manipulation of human thoughts? While the promise is immense, so are the implications, and these will have to be navigated carefully as the tech evolves. 5. Communication without words. One of Neuralink's most revolutionary potentials is the ability for brain-to-brain communication, often called telepathy. With the link, thoughts could be transmitted directly to another person without the need for spoken or written language. This could eliminate misunderstandings, allow for faster communication, and enable emotional depth previously impossible through words alone. For people with speech or hearing impairments, this would be a massive breakthrough. Elon Musk describes this as a consensual conceptual telepathy, where two people can share complex ideas, emotions, or knowledge instantly and more accurately than language allows. In professional fields such as diplomacy, science, or art, this could revolutionize collaboration. Imagine artists transmitting raw creative thoughts to others or scientists instantly sensing ideas in real time. While this futuristic concept is likely decades away from maturity, early versions, such as thought-to-text communication, are already being explored and could reach practical use within a few years. 6. Challenges, risks, and ethical dilemmas. Despite the promise, Neuralink is not without significant risks. Surgical implantation carries potential for brain damage, infection, or rejection by the body. Although the robotic surgery minimizes this, long-term effects remain unknown. There are also fears about hacking. If the brain becomes connected to the internet, could it be manipulated like any other device? Privacy concerns are massive. Who owns your brain data? What if governments or corporations misuse it? Ethically, there's debate about whether healthy individuals should enhance their brains or whether this creates inequality. Consent, especially for vulnerable populations like children or the elderly, will be a major issue. Furthermore, tampering with emotions or memories, even for therapeutic purposes, could lead to unintended psychological consequences. Regulatory frameworks, data protection laws, and strict oversight will be essential. 7. Economic and social disruption. If Neuralink achieves its goals, it could redefine industries and disrupt the global economy. Education, healthcare, entertainment, and tech sectors would be transformed. Traditional learning could become obsolete if knowledge can be uploaded. Physical disabilities might no longer limit job opportunities, expanding access to talent. However, such disruption could widen the gap between those who can afford neural enhancement and those who cannot. Wealthy individuals might become superhumans, creating a case-like system based on cognitive capabilities. Job automation and AI integration might accelerate, but Neuralink could allow humans to keep up by merging with machines. In developing countries, access and affordability could become major issues. There's also a question of identity. Will people feel less human if their thoughts are shared, enhanced, or stored digitally? The rise of neurocapitalism, where brain power becomes a tradable asset, may introduce new dynamics in labor, value, and social equity. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe. Imagine a city where traffic jams are predicted before they happen. Streetlights adjust to foot traffic, and waste bins signal when they're full. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of smart cities. Powered by sensors, data, and AI, smart cities are transforming how we live, work, and move through urban spaces. From cleaner energy to safer streets, this tech-driven revolution is rebuilding urban life for a more connected, efficient, and sustainable future. In this article, we'll break down how smart cities work and why they matter more than ever. Today we will talk about Smart Cities Explained, how tech is rebuilding urban life. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. What are smart cities? Smart cities use digital technology and data to make urban environments more efficient, sustainable, and livable. They rely on the Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, AI, big data, and real-time analytics to improve everything from traffic flow to energy use. Sensors monitor air quality, cameras manage congestion, and smart grids optimize power distribution. The goal isn't just to integrate gadgets into city life. It's to use technology to solve urban problems. A smart city anticipates needs, responds faster, and allocates resources more effectively. For example, waste bins notify sanitation departments when they're full, saving time and fuel. Citywide Wi-Fi, mobile apps for public services, and predictive maintenance for infrastructure are becoming standard. Governments and tech companies collaborate to implement these systems, often supported by smart governance models. Ultimately, smart cities promise a better quality of life through intelligent design and tech-driven decision-making that puts citizen welfare at the center. 2. Smart infrastructure systems. Infrastructure in smart cities is built or retrofitted to be intelligent, sustainable, and interconnected. Smart grids, for instance, balance electricity supply and demand in real time, reducing blackouts and energy waste. Water systems monitor leaks and usage, saving millions of gallons and identifying inefficiencies before they escalate. Roads are embedded with sensors to detect traffic patterns, temperature, or damage, sending data to maintenance crews automatically. Smart lighting adjusts brightness based on pedestrian activity and daylight levels, cutting electricity bills and emissions. Bridges and buildings now include vibration and stress sensors to detect early signs of structural fatigue, enabling preventive repairs. Even public benches can be equipped with solar charging ports, air quality monitors, or emergency alert buttons. These innovations are not futuristic. They're happening now in places like Singapore, Dubai, and Barcelona. By modernizing infrastructure with technology, smart cities are extending the life of critical assets and drastically reducing operational costs. 3. Traffic and transportation. One of the most immediate ways people feel the benefits of smart cities is through transformed transportation systems. Intelligent traffic lights use real-time data to ease congestion, reducing commute times and lowering vehicle emissions. Cities like Los Angeles and Amsterdam use AI to optimize traffic flow based on the time of day and event schedules. Smart parking systems help drivers locate available spots quickly, minimizing road chaos. Public transport gets a major upgrade too. Buses and trains can now be tracked via apps that show arrival times, delays, and crowd levels. In some places, autonomous shuttle services are already in operation for short city routes. Additionally, mobility as a service (MaaS) platforms integrate taxis, e-scooters, subways, and bikes into a single mobile interface, simplifying transit. Reduced road fatalities, fewer traffic jams, and cleaner air are the results. Smart mobility isn't just about speed. It's about accessibility, safety, and environmental sustainability. 4. Energy efficiency and environment. Smart cities prioritize environmental sustainability through energy-efficient solutions and green technology. Smart meters give residents control over their power usage, showing consumption in real time and allowing remote regulation of appliances. Cities implement smart grids that integrate renewable sources like solar and wind, automatically adjusting for energy demands. Buildings are designed or retrofitted to become smart structures, using AI to control HVAC systems, lighting, and occupancy sensors for maximum efficiency. Air quality sensors track pollution levels across neighborhoods, helping authorities issue health warnings or reroute traffic during spikes. Smart irrigation systems in public parks adjust water usage based on soil moisture and weather forecasts, conserving resources. Waste management becomes intelligent too. Automated trucks collect garbage only when bins are full, tracked via IoT sensors. These efforts not only cut operational costs but significantly reduce carbon footprints, making smart cities a critical tool in the global fight against climate change. 5. Public safety and surveillance. Technology plays a key role in enhancing safety within smart cities. AI-powered surveillance systems can identify suspicious behavior, detect crowd surges, and even recognize faces or license plates in real time, aiding law enforcement without the need for constant human monitoring. Emergency response systems are faster and more accurate, using data from sensors and mobile apps to dispatch units exactly where they're needed. Gunshot detection networks like ShotSpotter pinpoint the location of a shot within seconds. Smart streetlights can brighten automatically in emergencies or flash to guide people during evacuations. Public health surveillance also benefits. During pandemics, real-time data from hospitals, wearables, and even sewage can help detect outbreaks early. While privacy concerns exist, many cities are working to create ethical frameworks to balance safety and civil liberties. The integration of predictive analytics in policing and disaster response is not just about reacting, it's about preventing incidents before they occur. 6. Smart governance and e-government. Governance in a smart city is transparent, participatory, and data-driven. E-governance platforms allow citizens to access services, like paying taxes, applying for permits, or reporting issues, via mobile apps or online portals. This reduces bureaucracy, speeds up processes, and enhances accountability. Some cities employ AI chatbots for public inquiries, ensuring 24/7 access to information. Open data portals let citizens and developers access city data, driving innovation and informed decision-making. Digital voting systems are being tested to increase participation, especially among youth. City administrators use big data to analyze trends and allocate budgets more effectively. Whether it's determining where to build a new park or how to plan public transport routes. In addition, citizen feedback loops through digital platforms and real-time polls help governments stay attuned to resident needs. 7. Health, education, and digital inclusion. Smart cities aim to ensure that everyone benefits from digital advancement, especially in healthcare, education, and inclusion. Telemedicine and connected healthcare devices allow patients to consult doctors remotely, monitor chronic conditions, and receive alerts about medication or emergencies. Hospitals in smart cities use AI to streamline diagnostics, reduce errors, and predict patient surges. In education, smart classrooms leverage interactive whiteboards, AI tutors, and learning analytics to personalize learning. Students can access resources from anywhere, making education more equitable. Cities are also investing in digital inclusion programs, offering public Wi-Fi, digital literacy workshops, and subsidized devices for low-income families. These efforts bridge the digital divide, ensuring vulnerable populations aren't left behind. Libraries and community centers are transforming into digital hubs where residents can learn coding, build resumes, or access online services. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe. Smartphones are no longer just phones. They're becoming powerful AI companions and shape-shifting devices. From foldable screens that turn phones into tablets, to on-device AI chips that boost speed, camera quality, and personalization, the smartphone of tomorrow is smarter, faster, and more flexible than ever. In this deep dive, we'll explore how foldables, AI integration, and futuristic features are redefining what your phone can do and what's coming next. Today we will talk about the future of smartphones, foldables, AI chips, and beyond. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. What are smart cities? Smart cities are urban areas that integrate digital technology, data analytics, and Internet of Things (IoT) devices to optimize city functions, improve infrastructure, and enhance residents' quality of life. These cities use real-time data collected from sensors, cameras, and connected devices to manage everything from traffic flow and waste collection to water distribution and crime prevention. The goal is to make urban environments more efficient, sustainable, and livable. By implementing smart technologies, cities can anticipate issues before they arise, allocate resources better, and minimize human error. Governments worldwide, from Singapore to Barcelona, are investing heavily in smart infrastructure to future-proof their cities against rapid urbanization, climate change, and growing population demands. The concept isn't just about installing technology. It's about using that tech intelligently to create cleaner, safer, and more connected communities. It combines urban planning, sustainability, and citizen engagement into a cohesive development model. 2. The role of IoT in smart cities. The Internet of Things (IoT) is the backbone of any smart city initiative. It involves a vast network of interconnected devices, like traffic lights, waste bins, and water meters, that collect and transmit data to central systems. These systems analyze the information and automate responses, such as adjusting traffic signals to ease congestion or detecting leaks in water pipes before they cause damage. Smart streetlights can dim or brighten based on pedestrian activity, saving energy. Waste bins send alerts when they're full, optimizing collection routes and reducing fuel consumption. IO also supports environmental monitoring by tracking air quality, noise levels, and temperature fluctuations in real time. These insights help city planners make informed decisions. Importantly, all these devices communicate through cloud computing and 5G networks, making data transfer instantaneous. Without IoT, smart cities would be blind to their own operations. It's the nervous system that lets cities sense and react to the needs of residents dynamically. 3. Urban mobility and smart transportation. One of the most noticeable benefits of smart cities is in transportation. Smart mobility solutions aim to reduce traffic congestion, improve safety, and lower emissions. Cities use AI-powered traffic management systems to analyze data from cameras and sensors to control signals in real time. Public transportation is becoming more efficient through apps that give live bus/train tracking and dynamic road updates. Autonomous vehicles and electric scooters are being integrated into urban plans to provide sustainable last-mile transport. Smart parking systems guide drivers to available spots using sensors, reducing idling and frustration. Ride-sharing platforms are also being integrated into city databases to optimize usage patterns and reduce vehicle ownership. With 5G and edge computing, vehicles can communicate with each other V2V and with infrastructure V2I to avoid collisions or delays. These advances not only improve flow but also enhance accessibility for the elderly and disabled, ensuring inclusive transportation for all citizens. 4. Energy efficiency and smart grids. Energy management is critical to the sustainability of smart cities. Smart grids are modern electricity networks that use digital communication technology to detect and respond to local changes in usage. These grids enable the efficient distribution of power, integrate renewable energy sources like solar and wind, and reduce electricity losses. Smart meters in homes and businesses allow users to monitor their energy use in real time, encouraging conservation and cost savings. Streetlights are now equipped with motion sensors and solar panels to reduce electricity waste. Buildings are designed or retrofitted with energy-efficient systems, automated HVAC controls, and rooftop solar panels that connect to the local grid. Some cities have implemented demand response systems, where electricity use is lowered during peak hours to avoid blackouts. Moreover, smart homes with IoT-enabled appliances can optimize energy consumption by turning off devices when not in use. 5. Water, waste, and environment management. Smart cities take a tech-driven approach to managing resources like water and waste, ensuring environmental sustainability. Smart water systems monitor usage patterns, detect leaks, and manage water pressure through real-time sensors, preventing both shortages and flooding. Digital meters provide users with insights into consumption, promoting responsible usage. Smart waste management uses sensor-equipped bins that signal when they need emptying, optimizing collection schedules and reducing fuel emissions. Some cities also use AI to analyze waste types for better recycling strategies. Environmental monitoring systems track air and water pollution, sending alerts when levels become hazardous. Drones are even deployed to monitor large bodies of water or detect illegal dumping. These efforts reduce environmental degradation and support cleaner ecosystems. Urban green spaces are maintained using data-driven irrigation systems that adapt watering schedules based on weather and soil moisture, saving water and promoting biodiversity. 6. Digital governance and citizen engagement. In smart cities, digital governance is key to transparency, efficiency, and civic participation. Governments use centralized platforms and mobile apps to communicate directly with citizens, collect feedback, and streamline services. Residents can pay bills, apply for permits, report potholes, and access emergency alerts through a few clicks. E-governance also includes participatory tools like digital town halls, surveys, and AI-driven chatbots to ensure public opinion influences policymaking. Blockchain technology is being used to secure records, voting systems, and contracts, preventing fraud and increasing trust. Many cities are adopting open data policies, allowing developers to build useful apps based on municipal datasets. This openness fosters innovation and empowers citizens to co-create solutions. Smart ID systems allow seamless access to healthcare, transportation, and education services. In essence, digital governance decentralizes power and enhances accountability. 7. Safety, surveillance, and emergency response. Security and emergency response in smart cities are vastly improved through intelligent systems. AI-powered surveillance cameras can detect unusual activity, abandoned objects, or suspicious behavior, alerting authorities in real time. Facial recognition and license plate scanners enhance crime tracking, though they raise privacy concerns. Smart street lighting boosts safety by automatically brightening in response to nearby movement. Emergency services benefit from real-time GPS tracking and optimized dispatching. Ambulances, for instance, can navigate the quickest, least congested routes. Disaster response systems use data analytics and predictive modeling to forecast events, like floods, earthquakes, or fires, enabling preemptive evacuations. Drones and robotics are used in dangerous zones for rescue or inspection. Public alert systems instantly notify citizens via SMS, sirens, or app alerts during crisis. These systems collectively reduce response time and casualties. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe. Technology is evolving faster than ever, and 2025 is packed with innovations that will blow your mind. From AI-powered wearables to smart home upgrades you didn't know you needed, we've rounded up the top 10 tech gadgets that are redefining convenience, creativity, and everyday life. Whether you're a gadget geek or just looking to stay ahead of the curve, these are the must-haves you won't want to miss. Today we will talk about top 10 tech gadgets you need in 2025. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. AI-powered smart glasses. In 2025, AI-powered smart glasses will revolutionize how we interact with digital content and the physical world. These glasses offer real-time augmented reality (AR) overlays, allowing users to access information hands-free. Imagine navigating city streets with live directions displayed directly in your line of sight, translating foreign languages instantly, or receiving notifications without pulling out your phone. Advanced AI processors embedded in these glasses can also recognize faces, suggest contextual data, and even assist with health monitoring by tracking eye movements and stress levels. Companies are pushing for lightweight designs with longer battery life and better connectivity, making smart glasses the must-have accessory for professionals, students, and tech enthusiasts alike. 2. Foldable and rollable smartphones. The smartphone market in 2025 will be dominated by foldable and rollable designs, offering a perfect blend of portability and large screen real estate. Unlike traditional phones, these devices expand seamlessly to tablet sizes, making multitasking, gaming, and media consumption more immersive. Enhanced flexible OLED screens now provide vibrant colors and durability, overcoming past issues like creasing or screen damage. Coupled with 5G and soon 6G connectivity, foldable smartphones will support lightning-fast downloads and smooth video calls. Their cameras also incorporate AI for pro-level photography. This evolution means you no longer have to compromise between convenience and a large display, shaping how we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves. 3. Next-gen wearable health trackers. Health technology takes a huge leap forward in 2025 with next-generation wearable health trackers that do more than just count steps. These devices will continuously monitor vital signs, such as blood oxygen, glucose levels, hydration, and even early detection of diseases using AI-driven predictive analytics. Integration with telemedicine platforms will allow instant consultations based on real-time health data. New sensors embedded in watches, rings, or patches offer non-invasive and ultra-accurate measurements. The trackers will also use machine learning to personalize fitness programs and nutrition advice, adapting dynamically to your lifestyle and goals. This technology empowers users to take proactive control of their well-being, reducing the need for frequent hospital visits and promoting healthier living. 4. Home AI robots. By 2025, home AI robots will become commonplace, blending advanced robotics with artificial intelligence to perform household chores, security, and companionship. These robots can vacuum and mop floors, do laundry, and even prepare simple meals. Beyond cleaning, they use facial recognition and voice assistants to personalize interactions, reminding you of schedules or helping kids with homework. Security features include surveillance, emergency alerts, and smart locks management. With continuous learning capabilities, these robots adapt to household habits and preferences. Their integration with smart home ecosystems allows seamless control of lighting, temperature, and entertainment, making them invaluable helpers for busy families or elderly care. The rise of affordable, efficient home robots promises to change domestic life dramatically. 5. Quantum computing devices. Though still in early stages, quantum computing devices are anticipated to become accessible in 2025 for specialized tech enthusiasts and businesses. Unlike classical computers, quantum machines leverage qubits to solve problems exponentially faster, impacting cryptography, drug discovery, and complex simulations. Emerging portable quantum devices will be used for research and advanced problem-solving in science and finance. Cloud-based quantum computing services will allow even small companies to run algorithms that were previously impossible. This breakthrough opens doors to new materials development, optimizing supply chains and enhancing AI models. While not mainstream for everyday use yet, owning a quantum device or accessing quantum services represents the cutting edge of computing power, setting a foundation for future tech revolutions. 6. Ultra-high-definition VR headsets. Virtual reality (VR) technology will see a major upgrade with ultra-high-definition (UHD) VR headsets hitting the market in 2025. These headsets feature 8K per eye resolution, providing stunningly realistic and immersive virtual environments with minimal latency. Enhanced field of view and eye tracking improve interaction and reduce motion sickness. Combined with haptic feedback gloves and treadmills, users can experience full-body immersion in gaming, training simulations, and virtual socializing. Industry applications include remote work collaboration, medical training, and architectural walkthroughs. Additionally, improved wireless connectivity eliminates tethering, offering more freedom of movement. 7. Smart home energy management systems. In 2025, smart home energy management systems will play a crucial role in reducing utility costs and environmental impact. These systems combine AI, IoT sensors, and smart grids to optimize electricity, heating, and cooling usage dynamically. Homeowners can monitor energy consumption in real time and automate devices to run during off-peak hours or when renewable energy is available. Integration with solar panels, battery storage, and electric vehicle chargers ensures maximum efficiency and sustainability. 8. Advanced drone delivery devices. Drone technology will redefine logistics and personal convenience in 2025, with advanced delivery drones capable of transporting goods quickly and safely. These drones boast longer flight ranges, higher payload capacities, and smarter navigation systems that avoid obstacles and comply with urban air traffic rules. Retailers and medical services use drones to deliver groceries, medicines, and urgent supplies directly to doorsteps, reducing delivery times dramatically. Innovations in battery technology and AI-powered flight control allow drones to operate in diverse weather conditions. 9. Biometric security devices. With rising cyber threats, biometric security devices will be vital in 2025 for safeguarding personal and professional data. These gadgets use multi-factor biometric authentication, including fingerprints, retina scans, voice recognition, and even behavioral biometrics such as typing patterns. They replace passwords, which are vulnerable to hacking, providing more secure and seamless access to devices, apps, and physical locations. Portable biometric scanners and secure identity tokens enable encrypted communications and transactions. 10. Next-level gaming consoles. Gaming consoles in 2025 will push the boundaries of immersive entertainment with next-level hardware and AI-enhanced experiences. Powered by custom quantum-inspired processors and ultra-fast SSDs, these consoles offer instant load times and hyper-realistic graphics. AI-driven NPCs provide adaptive and intelligent gameplay, learning players' styles for personalized challenges. Cloud gaming integration allows players to access high-end titles anywhere with minimal latency. The consoles support mixed reality (MR), blending physical and virtual gaming environments, and feature advanced haptic feedback and motion tracking. Social features such as virtual tournaments and real-time streaming are deeply embedded. These gaming systems don't just entertain, but redefine interactive storytelling and community engagement in the digital era. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe. Technology is evolving faster than ever, and 2025 is packed with innovations that will blow your mind. From AI-powered wearables to smart home upgrades you didn't know you needed. we've rounded up the top 10 tech gadgets that are redefining convenience, creativity, and everyday life. Whether you're a gadget geek or just looking to stay ahead of the curve, these are the must-haves you won't want to miss. Today we will talk about top 10 tech gadgets you need in 2025. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. AI-powered smart glasses. In 2025, AI-powered smart glasses will revolutionize how we interact with digital content and the physical world. These glasses offer real-time augmented reality (AR) overlays, allowing users to access information hands-free. Imagine navigating city streets with live directions displayed directly in your line of sight, translating foreign languages instantly, or receiving notifications without pulling out your phone. Advanced AI processors embedded in these glasses can also recognize faces, suggest contextual data, and even assist with health monitoring by tracking eye movements and stress levels. Companies are pushing for lightweight designs with longer battery life and better connectivity, making smart glasses the must-have accessory for professionals, students, and tech enthusiasts alike. 2. Foldable and rollable smartphones. The smartphone market in 2025 will be dominated by foldable and rollable designs, offering a perfect blend of portability and large screen real estate. Unlike traditional phones, these devices expand seamlessly to tablet sizes, making multitasking, gaming, and media consumption more immersive. Enhanced flexible OLED screens now provide vibrant colors and durability, overcoming past issues like creasing or screen damage. Coupled with 5G and soon 6G connectivity, foldable smartphones will support lightning-fast downloads and smooth video calls. Their cameras also incorporate AI for pro-level photography. This evolution means you no longer have to compromise between convenience and a large display, shaping how we communicate, work, and entertain ourselves. 3. Next-gen wearable health trackers. Health technology takes a huge leap forward in 2025 with next-generation wearable health trackers that do more than just count steps. These devices will continuously monitor vital signs, such as blood oxygen, glucose levels, hydration, and even early detection of diseases using AI-driven predictive analytics. Integration with telemedicine platforms will allow instant consultations based on real-time health data. New sensors embedded in watches, rings, or patches offer non-invasive and ultra-accurate measurements. The trackers will also use machine learning to personalize fitness programs and nutrition advice, adapting dynamically to your lifestyle and goals. This technology empowers users to take proactive control of their well-being, reducing the need for frequent hospital visits and promoting healthier living. 4. Home AI robots. By 2025, home AI robots will become commonplace, blending advanced robotics with artificial intelligence to perform household chores, security, and companionship. These robots can vacuum and mop floors, do laundry, and even prepare simple meals. Beyond cleaning, they use facial recognition and voice assistance to personalize interactions, reminding you of schedules or helping kids with homework. Security features include surveillance, emergency alerts, and smart locks management. With continuous learning capabilities, these robots adapt to household habits and preferences. Their integration with smart home ecosystems allows seamless control of lighting, temperature, and entertainment, making them invaluable helpers for busy families or elderly care. The rise of affordable, efficient home robots promises to change domestic life dramatically. 5. Quantum computing devices. Though still in early stages, quantum computing devices are anticipated to become accessible in 2025 for specialized tech enthusiasts and businesses. Unlike classical computers, quantum machines leverage qubits to solve problems exponentially faster, impacting cryptography, drug discovery, and complex simulations. Emerging portable quantum devices will be used for research and advanced problem-solving in science and finance. Cloud-based quantum computing services will allow even small companies to run algorithms that were previously impossible. This breakthrough opens doors to new materials development, optimizing supply chains and enhancing AI models. While not mainstream for everyday use yet, owning a quantum device or accessing quantum services represents the cutting edge of computing power, setting a foundation for future tech revolutions. 6. Ultra-high-definition VR headsets. Virtual reality (VR) technology will see a major upgrade with ultra-high-definition (UHD) VR headsets hitting the market in 2025. These headsets feature 8K per eye resolution, providing stunningly realistic and immersive virtual environments with minimal latency. Enhanced field of view and eye tracking improve interaction and reduce motion sickness. Combined with haptic feedback gloves and treadmills, users can experience full-body immersion in gaming, training simulations, and virtual socializing. Industry applications include remote work collaboration, medical training, and architectural walkthroughs. Additionally, improved wireless connectivity eliminates tethering, offering more freedom of movement. 7. Smart home energy management systems. In 2025, smart home energy management systems will play a crucial role in reducing utility costs and environmental impact. These systems combine AI, IoT sensors, and smart grids to optimize electricity, heating, and cooling usage dynamically. Homeowners can monitor energy consumption in real time and automate devices to run during off-peak hours or when renewable energy is available. Integration with solar panels, battery storage, and electric vehicle chargers ensures maximum efficiency and sustainability. 8. Advanced drone delivery devices. Drone technology will redefine logistics and personal convenience in 2025, with advanced delivery drones capable of transporting goods quickly and safely. These drones boast longer flight ranges, higher payload capacities, and smarter navigation systems that avoid obstacles and comply with urban air traffic rules. Retailers and medical services use drones to deliver groceries, medicines, and urgent supplies directly to doorsteps, reducing delivery times dramatically. Innovations in battery technology and AI-powered flight control allow drones to operate in diverse weather conditions. 9. Biometric security devices. With rising cyber threats, biometric security devices will be vital in 2025 for safeguarding personal and professional data. These gadgets use multi-factor biometric authentication, including fingerprints, retina scans, voice recognition, and even behavioral biometrics such as typing patterns. They replace passwords, which are vulnerable to hacking, providing more secure and seamless access to devices, apps, and physical locations. Portable biometric scanners and secure identity tokens enable encrypted communications and transactions. 10. Next-level gaming consoles. Gaming consoles in 2025 will push the boundaries of immersive entertainment with next-level hardware and AI-enhanced experiences. Powered by custom quantum-inspired processors and ultra-fast SSDs, these consoles offer instant load times and hyper-realistic graphics. AI-driven NPCs provide adaptive and intelligent gameplay, learning players' styles for personalized challenges. Cloud gaming integration allows players to access high-end titles anywhere with minimal latency. The consoles support mixed reality (MR), blending physical and virtual gaming environments, and feature advanced haptic feedback and motion tracking. Social features such as virtual tournaments and real-time streaming are deeply embedded. These gaming systems don't just entertain, but redefine interactive storytelling and community engagement in the digital era. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.